Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My guy has got me the head mask, the iPhone 10 head mask. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Yes! Time for us to jump in and check out the brand new iPhone 10 head mask. This is the gold version of the head mask here, iPhone. I'm telling you because as a content, I like to do something shiny and fresh. Anyway, shares this morning. I have some champagne. Okay, let's get inside. Because this iPhone is very new and fresh. We've got the boss says the 64 gig B version, and this is straight from Apple. Thank you very much, Steve Jobs and Tim Cook. I like that guy. So anyway, we're gonna open it. As you can see, the paper is very refreshing, simple. Will you turn off your honker? Sorry, people are making noise outside. But anyway, this is the Hesmas iPhone. You can see the right here iPhone in gold, because I'm a gold guy. The logo is in gold also. And then we have this, I don't even know what this picture is in the front. It feels like something from space. Okay, let's just open the iPhone. Can we open the iPhone? Yes, we're opening the iPhone. Shaggy. I'm gonna put this here. Shagun, shares. Congratulations on your children, your 10 children. I know you must be very proud. Okay, the iPhone, we've got paper. Nobody wants paper. Throw that one away. See this guy right here. Look at it. This is the new Sezi Gold iPhone head mask. So the head mask now is the biggest iPhone, and this thing is just very fresh, completely. Somebody's honking outside. They even mind the person. So we also have headphones. This is the new earbuds, iPhone earbuds. There's no adapter. It's a lightning. That's what they call it, lightning, right? Can you see that? And then we have a wall plug charger. This is charger right here. People can see the charger right here. And we have cable. I don't need this. Booredatwork supply me with all I need. So I will put this one inside, and I'll put the charger and cable. I want to look at the head mask because head mask is where it's at. So I'm gonna put the box right here. Look at this. Let me just open it for you. See, the thing is just shining. Gold. Hey, baby, kilo day. iPhone 10 head mask. Throw paper away. I don't need paper. Look at that. That thing is shiny. It just looks like my champagne color. Look at that. iPhone champagne. I don't even call it head mask anymore. It's a iPhone champagne head mask. iPhone champagne head mask. I just need iPhone champagne head mask. Very sexy. So let's look at some of the features on this device. We have double camera, so we can take two types of sexy photos. And then we got they say the processor is a A12, Bionic, powerful, just give you strong power, a lot of performance. I can see here, thing is it's nice and big, for a big guy like me. We have a power button. We also have volume and rocker. I just like this thing, man. It's like I want to just hold this thing all day. Here's my iPhone. Head mask. Anyway, we'll just power it on. Let's turn it on. iPhone, Apple, how you turn this thing on? Turn on. Head mask. So we now have set up our iPhone 10 head mask. And you can see here, this is very smooth like Bora. But of course, for us, the only thing that's most important is the camera. They have some new camera features. So they have extended it, but the best way to do is just to test the camera. So I'm going to take a selfie, maybe a couple of selfies. Got that guy. Very sexy guy. But why is the flash on? Sorry. Off the flash. There we go. Some very sexy photos. So you can see here, I did a portrait. I think it's portrait mode. I don't know if people can see the camera. You can see it here again. Look at that guy. So sexy. So anyway, that's the camera. That's the headset mask. Very big. You can see how it is. So when we come to last year, we compare our last year phone. This is the iPhone 10s and the 10s mask. You can see the size, very size difference. One of course is gold, the other one is black. As you can see, we like gold. So there you have it, guys. That is pretty much it with the iPhone 10s mask. I really like this device. For my hand, it feels very comfortable. I can use a Face ID. I'll lock it like this. See my sexy face. But if you have questions, don't ask me. I don't have answer. Call Booredatwork. Anyway, thank you very much. Hit that subscribe button and notification if you want more videos like this. We do sexy videos for you. More videos with the 10 Hz mask. This is the sexy iPhone. This is what I call sexy right here. Anyway, thank you very much and always enjoy your entertainment.